friends and family. It's New Year again. Welcome to Twins World, all about parenting. Another year has ended and 2022 is going to start. It's time for new desires, new hope, and it's time to bridge the gap of old pains and the hurts what we had last year, and we are heading forward how to take care of the mistakes and how we can live a successful life. Every new year gives us a chance to show gratitude to everyone that is around us. It may not be our loved ones, but since we are traveling, we meet n number of people on our journey. So it's time to say hi to everyone and say a word of thanks. And last time we spoke about how we need to have quality time with family. This time I would like to suggest on how we can create new moments in wherever we are. We belong to a family where our parents are there, maybe our spouse is there, or our children are there, or our siblings are there. Wherever we are, that we are residing, we have a role over there. So let us take this chance of 2022 to be the peacemaker of the house, so that we don't make a chaos in the family, so that we can bring happiness and peace inside the family, so that the moments what you're spending at the home will be more memorable by the end of the year. If we are not able to make a routine in our family, let's start again, because human life is always making a mistake and getting up from there. So let's make our routine a better way. If there are fights in the family, let's take small steps, even if we are not a part of the fights, or even if we are taking a big role or the main reason for the fights. Let's change ourselves so that 2022 can be a better and a renewed year. If you are in your workplace or the school, we know that why we work, and we know why we study. So when you study, let us reorganize. Not only fun as a part, the main purpose of schooling or the college or any kind of education we have to get that particular degree, or not only the degree, education should improve my standard of living and the way I think and the way I react. So let me improve according to the education what I have. More than that, in the workplace, we have targets to complete, we have assignments to do, but there are n number of things need to be completed because someone is paying us. So let's complete by keeping these are our goals, and we can accomplish it. More than that, whatever is unsaid, the kind of relationship we have with the colleagues, or the kind of the work relationship we have around the people, your smile can bring changes. Just smile at others than thinking and being in a different world and going to a different place. So this can create a new change, so that people can tell, wow, Sindhu has changed, or Sindhu has come up with a new way of dealing people. So this way we can improve ourselves. Prayer is another important aspect I always prefer in my personal life, because prayer not only keep the family together or loved ones together, we are praying to a supernatural power so that no accidents will happen, because we really don't know what will happen tomorrow or the next moment. So the kind of prayer and get together and the like-minded nature of the family help to protect each and everyone. The hope of being together is well protected during the prayer time. Also, prayer time helps to improve our moral and ethical values as well. Don't forget to sleep. Sleep is also adequately important. Take time out of the social media, because from a small child to a big man or woman is actually in the social media, whereas their time is really underutilized for other good things. So a digital detox can be done by us. That means we can take out our time from social media and think of ourselves, or give time for a creativity, so that we can come up with new ideas than only seeing and laughing on others' expressions. Let's recheck our habits for any addictions and take at least baby steps to move on from that, so that by the end of the year we may be out of it. And if any kind of relationship is giving you hurt, we call it as toxic relationship, come out of it, because that will add on to your life. Surround yourself with positive vibe people so that negativity has no impact on you, because when you're surrounded by negative people, you are not able to function as what you are. So the kind of positivity or the good thoughts of the people around help to become a better person who you are today. Also try to create new friends as well. These are some of the tips even I would like to think about myself when I think about the new year, how to start. If I categorize, yes, I have a family, which is my first priority. I need to be taking care of my family and me time. I need to be careful. Then we have a church to take care, counseling sessions to take care. Then the workplace I need to take care. Then we have these 2 channels to take care. So the activities are more. So I need to learn in much better way how to manage my time so that I can have a quality of time whomever I part my life or the remaining days of my life. With this, I would like to end the New Year wishes, and I wish you a very good and prosperous 2022 ahead. So let's call our kids also to wish you a happy new year. Enoch Geet?
Yeah.
Let's wish them a happy new year.
Happy New Year.